Hello everyone. Lily here, and in this quick Facebook tutorial video, I'm going to walk you through how to check your Facebook friend request sent list. So without further ado, let's get started right away. You can actually see all of the people to whom you've sent friend requests and who have either accepted or rejected them. First of all, launch your Facebook app and tap on those three lines at the top right-hand side of the screen. Next, tap on Friends. In mine it says Find Friends, but in your account it will just say Friends. You might even have to swipe down a little bit, and then you'll see Requests at the top left here. And then you can select that to see all of the users who've already requested to be your friend, but not any of the ones you've sent. Simply press on the three dots at the top right here to view the ones you sent. Then you can go in there and then. I don't really have anything, but if you've sent out any friend requests and someone has still not accepted or rejected them, they'll show up here, and then you'll be able to cancel them as well. If you send a friend request to someone you used to be close with but haven't seen in a while, then it may be safe to cancel the request. Just because they might no longer use Facebook, and this is where you can view all of your sent friend requests. Also, if you want to delete a friend request that was sent accidentally, this is where you can find it as well. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.